Hello, so let's take a look at my recent purchase at the Dollar Tree. So I picked up some of these baskets and I'm going to use them to cover my newly sprouted dahlia bulbs. I have been having issues with animals digging them up, so let's give this idea a try and see how it goes. I also purchased some of these wire sticks. I think it looks beautiful. Very festive for the season. And I picked up 6 of these, 6 of the baskets. As a backup plan, I went ahead and picked out this bamboo sticks also. These are actually bamboo skewers. These are giant. Here's the name. There we go. So I'm gonna go ahead and take off these tags. And I also picked up a few of these flip-flops. I just kind of wear them around the house here and there. So I have 2 colors, as you can see. Here's my pink one, and here's the bluish green. I know the designs are kind of wild, but you know, for $1, you can't really complain, right? Here they are. Okay. So let me take out one of these baskets so you can see. This is what it looks like. So my initial idea is this, is that I'm going to flip them upside down like so, and just put them right on top of the area in which I planted the bulbs. And then I'm going to take one of these metal stick, as you can see. These are fairly tall, and just insert it through or push it through one of these holes and push it right into the ground to hold the basket in place. Now, the reason why I purchased the bamboo skewer too is to perhaps provide additional support by inserting more than one on each end of the basket and hold it in place, so that way animal can't just tilt it over. So let's take a look and see if my idea will pay out. So this is my eggplant. It's doing pretty well. It's big enough, so I think it'll be okay. I'm gonna leave it as is. Well, I guess I am one day too late. This is my bell pepper plant, and as you can see, something snapped it off. But hopefully, as you can see, I have these side shoots coming up. So hopefully it will start to send out shoots and I won't lose the whole plant. So I guess I'm gonna have to put one in the basket on here too. Here are my baskets. I'm gonna take one, drag it over here, and essentially I'm just gonna cover it up like so. Gonna grab one of these and I'm gonna stick it close to it to keep it in place. How about that? So it's somewhat decorative, and you know what? It does the trick. Look at that, isn't that cute? So my pepper plants is inside this basket, and it's somewhat windy today, so as you can see, the wheel on this bicycle is spinning. So I have this tiny herbs in my garden. Every year it struggles to grow because animals keep on eating it or chopping it off. So this year it's going to go in one of these baskets. So evidently I cannot count because I got 6 of those tricycle and I have 8 baskets. So I'm gonna have to use bamboo skewer. I need to make sure that I'm not too close to the herbs. All right. So this seems to be pretty good. All right. Okay, here's another plant. The other one, I think I'm a little bit too late. Something already topped it off already. So I'm gonna have to cover this one. All right. So now the basket is in, and it should be okay. And I think that these are footprints of the deer. My husband was hollering at the deer this morning. I think they were getting ready to taste some of my garden. So he chased them away bright and early this morning. All right, so here's another shoot that's coming out. This is another dahlia that's coming through the ground. So I'm gonna go ahead and cover this one too, like so. Okay. I think this is one of the shoots of my dahlia that's coming out. So I'm gonna put a basket here too. Okay. And as you can see, each time I plant these, animal keep on digging them up. So as you can see in this one, let's see here. Here's one that they dug up. So I'm gonna need to put this back, find a place to put this back. And I'm gonna, as you can see, I'm just gonna stick it right into one of these holes, push it right into the ground, and push it right in. And it looks like this bicycle just sits on top of it, like so. Okay, so on this one here, the ground isn't even. So I think what I'm gonna need to do is push it down a little bit to secure it. So let's see. Okay. I think that that's good enough. It's not going to go anywhere. Okay. So I'll be back later on this evening to check it out. These are actually my hydrangea vanilla strawberry. This is the first year. Actually, I think that the deer already take a little nip at them already. Took the top off or the tip off of it already. Oh wow. Alright, so this is what it looks like. The ground is quite soft, so I didn't have too much trouble sticking these little tricycle or bicycle into the ground. So I have 6 here, 2 in the back, 2 right there, and 2 here in the front. There they are. And this one just seems to be spinning away. Today is actually May 10th on a Friday. The sun is out. The temperature is in the low 60s. So it's a little bit on the chilly side. So this is what it looks like. And if this works, then I think I'm going to go back and check out the remainder of the Dollar Tree and get them all. I believe that the Dollar Tree that I went to there, they may have 2 or 3 of these baskets left. And as far as these little bicycle sticks, they have plenty more of those. So I don't think that it's going to last very long. So I want to try to go back and grab some more over the weekend. Thank you all for checking out my garden, and be sure to check back in for the results in a few more weeks. Have a great summer, everyone.